Hello, good morning. So in this class we will see what is cross join. Last day we have seen inner join or equi-join and outer join. Outer join consisting of left join, right join and full join. Now we will see about cross join. All the joins are similar with a bit difference. Okay. So we will see a good example of this cross join today, and I have two tables. One table name is amount. I will show you what I have given in amount. Select star from amount. So the amount table has only one field called AMT, and it has some entries. It has 6 entries with various amounts. So assume that this is the amount which we are going to deposit in a bank. Okay. Now I have a table called interest. Select star from interest. So we have a table called interest, which contains these values. It shows that if the amount deposited is for a period of 1 to 10 months, the interest rate is 5%. Likewise, if the amount deposited will be from 11 months to 20 months, then the rate of interest will be 6. Likewise, it shows the interest table. Now I want to know which is the most beneficial method. It is the most beneficial method of depositing. If I have rupees 5,000 with me, and if I want to deposit in the bank, in which period it will be better? Now the rates are increasing 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So obviously it will be 9. But if the rate is varying, that is if it is 4, 2.5, 6, etc. in the last column, then we should have a method. We should have a method to identify which is the best possible deposit period. Okay. So for that I will change the data for that. Update interest, set rate is equal to 4, where rate equal to 7. Okay. Also update set rate is equal to 5, where rate is equal to 9. Okay, so I have the different rates now. Okay, so now I would like to understand which is my most income generating, or which one is the good deposit scheme. So we can go for a cross join here. Okay, let us do it step by step. So I am first of all I am going to cross join it, that is select star from amount table, cross join interest. Okay, so if I have greater number of rows, then the table might have bigger. So this is if I deposit 1,000 for this much period, the rate will be 5. If 1,000 for 11, it will be 6. If 1,000 for this much period, the rate will be 4, etc. So by this we cannot see which one is the beneficial method. So we need to do some calculations also. Okay, so now this seems as a single table, and by taking values from this single table we can find out the amount which will be received after this much number of months. Okay, so we will change the query like this. Since I want to do some calculations, I should be able to use the fields of both tables. So I am giving an alias name. So amount A, cross join interest I. Okay, to show the same output. Okay, I am going to give some calculations. So along with whatever now it is shown, I want to show more about a calculation, means how much amount. So the amount is shown, amount is taken, amount, that is amount into rate. Rate is rate by 100. Okay, for we can go for 1 year. If I use that scheme for 1 year, as an example we can take it like that. If I deposit for that much period and I redeposit the same for 1 year, what should I get? Okay, then along with that I will be getting the amount also. Okay, amount plus rate of interest is the total amount, and I would like to see it as a total, total with heading total, so I have given as total. Okay. Now we can see a meaningful chart. What is that? If I deposit 1000 for a period of 10 days and I repeat it throughout the year, I will be getting an amount of 1050 after 1 year. If I choose this 1000 for this much days, I will be getting 1040. If I choose this, I will be getting 1080. So for the amount 1000, these are the 4 entries. These are the 5 entries. That is, if I deposit ₹1000, the most beneficial is this for depositing in the scheme 31 to 40. Okay, so for these type of calculations, and if I deposit ₹6000, how much will I get? So for doing calculations from taking values from multiple tables like this, having all the combinations and showing all the details. Okay, this type of cross join finds important, and so this is the application of this cross join. Okay, so calculations can be done as if they were elements of the same table. Okay, if it has same field names, then we should give it as a dot amount, I dot rate, etc. Here the field is not repeating, field names are not repeating, that's why I am using it directly. Otherwise I need to give a dot amount, I dot rate, etc. Okay, so hope that you got the idea of doing this cross join. So cross join means taking combination of each rows with the other rows of the second table. Okay, the first row of the table 1 will be combined with all rows of the second table separately, and it will be created as different rows. Okay, so if I store these values in a single table, it will be very difficult. Okay, if I store these values in a single table, it will be a very huge table, because now this has 30 rows and our actual data has only 6 rows in first table and 5 rows in second table. Okay, so actually we have only a small number of rows, and the final one is the product of these rows in first table and second table. Okay, so this is the application of this cross join. Hope that you got the point of this using this cross join. Okay, thank you.